Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify QuickBooks Online Shopify integration reconciliation, detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify the QuickBooks Online Shopify integration reconciliation, start by logging into your QuickBooks Online account. Navigate to the Banking tab on the left-hand menu. Select the bank account linked to your Shopify sales. Click on the For Review tab to see the transactions that need your attention. Take note of the date range for the transactions you want to reconcile. Next, open your Shopify account in a new tab or window. Go to the Orders section in your Shopify dashboard. Export the orders for the same date range you noted in QuickBooks. Ensure you select a format compatible with Excel or CSV for easy comparison. Download the export and open the file. Now, focus on matching each Shopify order with transactions in QuickBooks. Compare the order total from Shopify with the corresponding transaction in QuickBooks. Be attentive to the date and amounts, as discrepancies often occur here. If you find a match, mark the transaction as matched in QuickBooks. If you notice a discrepancy, investigate the source of the difference. Common issues can include fees, refunds, or accounting entries not accounted for. Once you have matched all corresponding transactions, review the Reviewed tab in QuickBooks. Check the total amount in the Reviewed tab against your Shopify sales report. If the amounts match, you've successfully verified the integration. If there are still discrepancies, revisit your Shopify and QuickBooks records for more thorough checks. Adjust entries in QuickBooks where necessary to ensure accurate reconciliation. Once verified, proceed to the Reconcile option in the Banking tab to finalize the process. Review the details one last time before clicking Finish. Always document any discrepancies or adjustments made for future reference. This will help streamline your reconciliation in future periods. You're now equipped to verify your QuickBooks Online Shopify integration effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.